Hello, once again, this is Dusty Wright with the Wright team, Keller Williams Realty St. George, and today I'm at a brand spanking new home here in the Washington Fields in Washington, Utah. This one is 3,790 square feet. It's 5 bedrooms plus an office, 4 bathrooms, it has the attached 2-car garage plus the attached RV garage. And we'll go on and take a look. Okay, as we approach the front entryway here, you can see it has the rain gutters. It kind of has that little bit more modern elevation to it. It's a mixture of stucco, stone, and then some shiplap kind of siding material. And they're just finishing up, so they still have a few touch-ups to be done. But they did the pavers here on the entryway. They have the 8-foot tall stainless steel door. And there's a transom window up. All right, and then coming on in, you have the tall entryway with the light fixture up above. That's to the upper level up there in the great room. I don't have the lights on up there yet. Off to the right, when you first come in, you have this office space. Has the wood plank tile floors, the ceiling fan, the can lights, and then there's a nice accent wall there with a window out to the front. All right, and then coming on in this way up the stairs right here you can go, or you can come right into the great room area. As you can see, the ceiling has a coffered ceiling, but then it has the shiplap and then the faux beams, the stained grade, kind of a white oak to match the cabinets. So it's a mixture of the white oak plus the white, and they go all the way to the ceiling. And then this gives you an angle of the great room. It's a natural gas fireplace, the tile surround, it has the floating shelves. And then over here you have your oversized single sink. And then your dining nook over here, and then the door out to the back patio. Your cooktop here with the vented range hood above. Then you have your stainless steel refrigerator, your double oven, and your microwave. And then your hidden pantry here, we'll go take a look. So coming on in here to the hidden pantry, just push the cabinet in and voila, you're right here. And then coming off of the kitchen here, you have a bedroom kind of tucked away in its own corner. And then this bathroom has an access in from the bedroom, or you can come in off of the backyard in through this door and use the bathroom in case you throw in a swimming pool or something on the backyard there. So it has the tile floor, the quartz countertops, the stained grade kind of white out look cabinets there, and then into the walk-in tiled shower. And of course the tile goes all the way to the ceiling, has the rain head plus the other shower head, and there is a bench here, and those are Moen fixtures. And then also right off of this kitchen on the way to this bedroom, you have this little built-in desk area, and then a storage closet there. And then into this bedroom, it has the can lights and the ceiling fan. And then it has this other little built-in cabinet area with a countertop and then a walk-in closet. I don't have the lights on. And then a door that goes out to the backyard from this bedroom here. All right, and then coming across to the other side of the house, here on the main level, you have a nice storage closet here. You have your thermostat there. And then into the master bedroom, it has the 8 feet tall doors, the 8 foot tall sliding glass door out to the back patio, the large fan in here, several can lights, has the accent wall with the hanging lights there that you can turn off on either with the switch if you're laying in bed. And then this goes into the master bathroom. Has the double vanity, the soaker tub. The cabinets are those ones that are raised off of the floor so they don't get wet. And then you've got the nice vanity top here for doing makeup or whatever else you desire. And then right here you have your walk-in tiled shower. And they've run it vertical, the 12 by 24 tiles all the way to the ceiling. Once again, it has the rain head. And then the second fixture, couple niches here with the bench. And then right here you have your little toilet room. And then this goes into the master closet. Pretty good sized closet. And then here's a different angle of the bathroom here. All right, and then coming up here upstairs, you have the railing here. Has that kind of oak stain here, and then has the black steel on the railing. And then into this big open family room up above. You can see down here into the entryway. Several can lights. It has a little mini wet bar over here. Place for the refrigerator, mini fridge, the ceiling fan. And then this set of doors, French doors here, goes out to the balcony. And they haven't put on the railing yet. Here's another look this direction. And then right here on the upper level, they have a bedroom here. And each bedroom has a ceiling fan and then the can lights. And the closet over there. And then across the way here, you have your bathroom. One of the bathrooms on the upper level here. It's got the tile floor with the quartz countertops, the white cabinets. A couple nice horizontal windows that kind of look out to those hillsides there. And then the tile wraps all the way around the tub. And then going back over this way, there's two more bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom in between. There's a storage closet off of that big great room, second great room, family room area upstairs. So you have the one bedroom here. Once again with the ceiling fan, the can lights, the window, and then the Jack and Jill bathroom has the white tile, the white countertop, and the white cabinet. And then there's a little closet right here. And then that door opens up and then you can go into this area here, which is the shower, the tub and the shower. Right here. The tiles goes all the way to the ceiling. And then I didn't turn the light on in there. There we go. Let there be light. And then once again, this one also has the closet built into the bathroom area here. And then one thing up in this bathroom that I forgot to show you is there's a little mini door in this Jack and Jill bathroom. And then there's a little storage area that is actually kind of out here to the garage and the back of the RV garage for additional Christmas supplies or whatever other types of storage you want to put up here. And then here's the bedroom, the third bedroom up here. Come on this way. Okay, and then coming off of the kitchen, we're back downstairs going out to the garage. You have the built-in mud bench here, the cabinets above. Then you have your laundry room with a sink, tile floors. You can do natural gas or electric. The cabinets above. And then this is like a little coat storage closet area, and we'll head out to the garage. All right, and then we come out here to the garage. We have the LiftMaster MyQ garage door opener here on the 2-car, which is 16 feet wide by 8 feet tall, and then it's approximately 23 feet deep in here. And then you have your RV garage, which has a 12-foot wide door by 14 feet tall, and then it's approximately 38 feet deep inside this garage. And then this is where storage for the water heaters, or for the furnace. And then this is also the water heater, and they've even tiled around it. There's your 220 plug there. And then here's a better angle of the garage here. Approximately 38 feet deep, 12 by 14 door. And out here on the side of the house of the garage, you have the plenty of room for RV parking. And then the block walls, these exterior privacy walls are all in. So it gives you plenty of privacy here in your backyard. Plenty of room here for a pool in the backyard. It's got the little patio here from the one bedroom that's on the main level, and then the other covered patio here. And then there's that upper balcony that doesn't have the railing on it quite yet. So yeah, this one here, once again, is 3,790 square feet, 5 bedroom, 4 bathroom, plus the office, attached 2-car garage with the attached RV garage, Pretty good sized lot, just slightly under 1/3 of an acre. Brand spanking new. Give us a call or look us up online, mystghome.com, or you can give us a call at 435-313-1525. Thanks for watching.